guys, it's been a while. I'm back. Well, not really, but it's my first video in a while, so technically it means I'm back. And today is my first day of holiday, and I decided to clean my keyboard. And I thought, it'd be a great idea to film it. It's been almost over a year since I got this keyboard, and everything inside is like a year's worth of junk. Yeah, it's really dirty inside. Right, so over here I kind of ran into an issue with removing my stabilizer because the wire for the stabilizer was like being blocked, so I had to remove the plate first, and I'll remove the stabilizer later. I've been thinking of modding this keyboard, but it's like time consuming and budget consuming, so I feel like I'm gonna postpone that for now. And I'm not necessarily bothered by how my keyboard sounds right now, besides the spacebar because it's pretty horrendous. So for the switches and the stabilizers, I'm just gonna clean them with some alcohol. I'm just tapping them down. Yeah, so I guess while I'm cleaning, we can talk about what I've been doing recently. I've been pretty busy with school. I'm in high school. I have 1 year left of high school actually, and it's honestly been fun. It's been great. I'm enjoying high school a lot more, and I've got better friends. Hanging out's been fun. I started cleaning the keyboard at like 2, and now it's like 6, 7 p.m. So yeah, it took me a while because I've never actually like set up a camera and moved around so much. Right, that's been me cleaning my keyboard. If you enjoyed it, give a like, whatever. If you don't, it's fine. And I'll see you next time. And for those of you wondering, yes, I do still play Valorant almost every weekend with my friends, and I still enjoy it.